This AI tool can create any diagram or flowchart in seconds, and it is called EdrawMax. So whether you are a student that needs to create mind maps and infographics, or a business owner that needs flowcharts and SWOT analysis, you can just type what you need in plain English, and EdrawMax builds it for you instantly using AI. And in this video I will show you exactly how you can use it to create any diagram that you need in just a fraction of the time it would normally take you, and how to integrate it with OpenClaw so you can automate the full process. Now if you don't know who I am, my name is Demian and I make over $10,000 per month testing out different AI tools. So close all of your other tabs and let's dive right into it. Now the first thing that you have to do is to go over to EdrawMax.com, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, and then what you will need to do is to simply sign up for a completely free account. And once you do, you're going to see this interface over here. Now I know this might seem intimidating at first, but it is actually super simple to navigate. Now we currently are in the homepage of EdrawMax, where we can access the Edraw agent and also the tens of thousands of templates that EdrawMax has. And these templates are specifically built and optimized for all of these different types of graphs. As you can see over here, if I select whiteboard, for example, this is going to give me a bunch of whiteboard templates. If I select flowchart, then this is going to give me a bunch of flowchart templates that I can choose from. Same with mind map, same with organization AI charts, same with slides, and same with all the other options that EdrawMax gives you. And over here, we have the Edraw agent, which is basically the AI function of EdrawMax that allows us to simply type any prompt that we want and have it generate the exact chart or graph that we want. So let me show you how this actually works in a fully practical use case. Now, since I have recently built my own AI startup, I created a PDF document that basically goes over exactly what my startup does and how it works. And let's say I wanted to turn this into a diagram, which I can then give to my team so they also understand exactly how my app works in the backend. With EdrawMax, all I would have to do is to simply come over here and upload that PDF that I have created, and then I'll simply need to come over here and describe what I want. Now for this example, we come over here and say, what I want you to do is to take this PDF and turn it into a full diagram, which I can then give to my team so they understand exactly how my AI startup works. And now all I have to do is to simply come over here and send over this message. And what this is going to do is open up the EdrawMax canvas, which is basically a place where we can freely put a bunch of different generations so we can have them organized all together. And over here to the right, we can see our agent working in the background, creating us that diagram. And boom, as you can see, this just finished and it gave us 4 different options that we can choose from. And I do gotta admit that all these options do look very good. Now if you want to select one option, you simply click on insert, and what this does is it inserts the diagram over here in our canvas. And again, since we have our canvas, we can simply click on insert again, and this is going to insert the other diagram and the other as well. And now let me actually come over here to the first one and take a look at it. And as you can see, this is an exact diagram that can very easily explain to my team exactly how my Lumina app works in the background. Same with this diagram over here, same with these ones, and same with the third and also the fourth one. And what I really like about this is that if you don't like something in the diagram, all you have to do is to simply come over here and prompt your EdrawMax agent to make a change to it. For example, let's say I don't like the future vision that I have over here and I want to completely remove this section because I don't want my team to know the plans that I have for the future. Now this doesn't really apply to the real world, but let's say for this example that we wanted to remove that. All we would have to do is to come over here and say, hey, great, but I don't really like the future vision part. I want you to leave that out of the diagrams that you generated. And now all we have to do is to simply send over this message so our EdrawMax agent can go ahead and remove this specific part. You can see that this time our diagram doesn't have the future section that it had before, and instead it has this brand new marketing strategy section, which means that EdrawMax perfectly followed our feedback. And I'm back with a different background, guys, because before I forgot to show you how you can very easily edit these super nice looking diagrams, and you can do that by simply clicking on top of the diagram and then clicking on the edit button, which is going to open up this interface over here, where as you can see we literally have so many options. First of all, we can come and select specific things, which we can change the text from, we can change the font, we can remove them, we can delete the text, we can basically do whatever we want. And the same thing goes for all the other shapes and sizes. Plus, this also gives us the option to insert different flowchart shapes exactly as we want, along with the option to add in pictures from Pixabay, and we can also go over and add in different graphs and charts that can represent our data, along with adding custom text, of course. As you can see, I can come over here, add in some text and say like the video, so you go underneath and press the like button, along with custom icons and a lot more like tables, math equations, and even QR codes, which is a super interesting feature that I've seen no other tool have. And once we're done generating everything that we want, what we can do is simply come over here, click on the export button, and then we can select to either export this as an image or as an SVJ file. Now I will personally choose to use image for this example. Then over here we can give it a name, select the export quality and also the format, select the export range, whether we want to export all of them or we only want selected areas, which means that you will be able to select the exact diagrams that you actually want to export, and then you can select to export without a watermark and click on export. And what this is going to do is download that image or the SVJ file in your PC. But now let's say I want to do something different, which is to create a mind map for my application, but this time using one of EdrawMax thousands of templates. Now all I would have to do is to again come over here in the Edraw agent, and then I can come over here and select mind map to take a look at the templates. And as you can see, they literally have hundreds of them over here. Now let's say I really like this mind map. Now all I would have to do is simply click on use AI template, and then this tab would pop up over here where it is automatically saying, based on the content of this file, help me create a mind map. You can also add in any further instructions if you want. Now I don't really have to, so all I'm going to do is come over here and send this over, and this is going to again spin up another canvas in which EdrawMax is going to use their AI agent and create our mind map this time. And as you can see, it already finished. It literally took like 5 seconds, which is super impressive. And as you can see over here, we can see all the mind maps. Now this is the one that we selected before, so I will simply select it, and we'll literally have a full mind map for our application, which as you can see is also super detailed. Like over here we have the conclusion, the pricing cost strategy, the go-to-market strategy, target users, and also product overview, current product, key differentiator, and a bunch of other things, which if we were to manually sit there, analyze all these things, and then design a mind map for them, this could literally take us 1 hour to do. But with EdrawMax, we managed to do it in just 5 seconds. And the good thing with EdrawMax is that they literally give you thousands of templates. And I cannot stress this enough because this is actually a super useful feature that they have. Since if I come over here in the recommended template section, we can see they have templates for slides, for different frameworks that we can choose from e-charts, from scientific illustrations. You also have templates for infographics, which is something that you can really use if you're posting carousel posts over on Instagram and even TikTok, because these are already tested and proven to work very well, and they also have a lot more. Now let's say for example we actually wanted to use an infographic template, and let's say I really like this one for example, so I will simply click on it, and then let's say hey, I want to create an infographic about the latest AI news that happened in the month of March 2026. And now all we have to do is to simply send this over, and what this is going to do is spin up again another canvas, and it is going to automatically do research for us to find these latest events, and then it's going to turn them into an infographic using the template that was suggested, which is a process that again if we manually went over and did all the research and then we created the infographic would take us hours to do. But with EdrawMax we'll literally have it ready in just a few seconds, and as you can see we have our infographic ready. So let me insert it over here just so we can take a look at it, and boom, here is our infographic. As you can see, March 2026. Over here we have some headline news and AI developments. Over here it is telling us exactly what these news are, and if we want to generate another one, let's say for a similar topic, which can be now I want you to create me another one for the AI news of February, and we send this over, then this is going to do some research and then create an infographic for us with the news of February, which we can then take both of these two and turn them into an Instagram carousel that we can post in our page. And boom, as you can see, this just finished and it created us one for February. So let me actually insert this over here, and now we're able to take a look at it. As you can see, these are all the biggest news that happened in February, which we can of course come over here and download as a PNG, SVJ or EDX file. Now now let's say I want to download this as a PNG, I can simply save it in my PC, and I can do the same exact thing with this one as well. And these are just 3 of the functions that EdrawMax has. As you can see over here, they have a bunch of different templates for different types of graphs and charts that their agent can automatically create for you. So strongly advise you to click the top link in the description, sign up to it, and try it out for yourself to see everything that you can generate with it, because now I want to show you how we can automate the creation of all of these different charts using OpenClaw and of course EdrawMax. And that is possible because EdrawMax recently released their own OpenClaw skill that allows you to use their platform through OpenClaw. Now, to obviously set up this automation, the first thing that we have to do is to go over to openclaw.ai, and then in order for us to first download OpenClaw in our machine. Now, the first thing that we have to do is to simply come over here and copy this command, and then we simply need to open up our terminal. And once we do that, we simply need to paste in that command, click on enter, and this is going to install OpenClaw in our machine. And OpenClaw just successfully installed over in our machine. Now I'm going to go through the usual setup. I will simply select the default options, and what this is going to do is span up my OpenClaw instance in my PC. Now if you want a detailed installation of OpenClaw, I have actually made a video about it, which I'm going to link somewhere over here. So if you need to watch it and come back to this part, because what we're now going to do is automate the creation of all these different mind maps and graphs using the EdrawMax skill. Now the first thing that you have to do is to simply come over here to the EdrawMax skill and simply copy this URL. Don't worry, because I will also leave a link for this in the description below. And then you can simply come back over to OpenClaw and say something like, hey, what I want you to do is to go ahead and use this skill, so you can then use EdrawMax to create any charts and graphs that I need you to create, and then simply paste in the URL that you just copied. Now, after you say that, all you have to do is to simply come over here and send this over, because OpenClaw is now going to go read the skill, understand exactly how it needs to go ahead and use it, and basically do all the setup for you. And boom, this just finished, and it is telling us, alright, I successfully installed the EdrawMax skill, and now I'm ready to create flowcharts, infographics, and all these other things. Just let me know what kind of diagram you need and the information it should contain, and it is going to go ahead and create it. Now let's say we again want to create some infographics for our Instagram page. Let's come over here and say, hey, what I want you to do is to create me an infographic for the latest AI news of the past 12 months. I want this to be very accurate, and I want you to create one using the EdrawMax templates. Now, obviously, if you have a specific template in mind, you can tell it which one you want to use, but since I don't really have one, I just let it pick by itself, and I'll simply send over this message. And what OpenClaw is now going to do is it is going to go, first of all, do research to figure out the latest AI news of the past 12 months, and then it's going to go and use EdrawMax and one of the templates to create us a very nice looking infographic. And boom, this just finished, and it is telling us I've generated a detailed infographic with all the latest AI news and events from the past 12 months using EdrawMax, and it also went over and exported it as an SVG file, which we can actually click on and we can download in our machine so we can have it locally. And if I actually open this up, here we can see the infographic, and as you can see, this honestly does look super clean. Over here we have what happened in April, what happened in July, August, which was the month that GPT-5 dropped, also September, October, December, January, etc. And I think you guys can see how clean of an infographic we have over here, which if we actually took and posted over in our Instagram page, it could get us a lot of views and engagement. But the power of OpenClaw is not because it can create us that infographic, it's because it allows us to create different cron jobs, which are basically workflows that repeat a specific time that we want, and they can go and automatically create these graphs and charts for us. Because for example, let's say we want to create 2 of these infographics every 24 hours, so we can then have some to post in our Instagram page. Well, we don't have to open up OpenClaw every single time and tell it, hey, go ahead and create me an infographic. What we can do instead is simply create a cron job that does this automatically for us. Now, to make this cron job, all we have to do is simply come over here and say, hey, great, now what I want you to do is to go ahead and create a cron job that will create 2 of these detailed infographics that are going to be related to AI and AI news every single day, so I can post them in my Instagram page that is about AI and get a lot of views and engagement. So go ahead and do that for me. And now all we have to do is simply come over here and send over this message. And now OpenClaw is going to create a workflow that will trigger every single day, and it's going to create us 2 of these infographics that we can then take and do what we want with them. And obviously it doesn't have to be just infographics, it can be mind maps, it can be presentation charts just like these ones, and it can also literally be anything else that EdrawMax offers as a template. So I think you guys are starting to see the power that this workflow has. Now if I go back over in my OpenClaw, you can see alright, it successfully set up our cron job, which is going to trigger every day at 10 AM, and it will automatically search for the latest AI news and generate 2 distinct modern infographics using EdrawMax and deliver the images right here to our chart so we can easily post them in our Instagram page, which is exactly what we wanted. And we can also verify this by going over in the cron jobs tab, and we can see that we do in fact have this cron job enabled. So if you want to try out EdrawMax, I have left a link for it in the description below, along with a link to their OpenClaw skill, so you can fully automate the entire process if you actually want to. So make sure you check both of those out, and I will see you in the next video.